We all have one thing in common: our genome. It's what identifies us. It's what defines us as unique individuals. The genome is a full set of instructions needed for every cell, tissue, and organ in our bodies. Put simply, it's the code of life. Our genome is an incredibly rich source of information. Most of our genome, in fact, about 99.9%, is the same for all of us, wherever we come from in the globe. But there are some small and important differences. Some of that variation is just like differences in spelling, like whether you spell organised with an S or a Z. But it doesn't affect our health. But a small proportion of these tiny differences are like misprints. They actually change the meaning of the word or the proteins. And these are the differences that can lead to disease. For years, we have only been able to scratch the surface of this link between genes and disease. We're on the brink of a major leap forward in human healthcare.
Now is the time where genomics can transform our research and development. We can use the power of genomics and next-generation sequencing to identify new drivers of disease that are validated by genetics. To truly build a world-class genomics capability, we have to work with the very best groups around the world in this space. This is why we're working with Human Longevity and Craig Venter. He's one of the pioneers in genomics and next-generation sequencing, and working with his company, I think, will accelerate our ability to become world leaders in genomics.
Here at Human Longevity, we have the largest human genome sequencing facility in the world. Several groups have verified that our accuracy is second to none. But most of our employees are actually in bioinformatics and machine learning, interpreting this data, analyzing it across all this new information we're getting. And we will be analyzing clinical trial subjects from AstraZeneca. I think we'll be trying to make new associations with the machine learning processes. I think the fact that the leadership of AstraZeneca recognizes the potential for this to transform every part of their business makes them a perfect partner.
We're expecting this new initiative in genomics to be transformational to future research here at MedImmune. As we build a genomic database generated from our own clinical trials, together with data from our partners, what we intend to do is to be able to access in total some 2 million genomes paired with clinical data. This is going to be an invaluable genetic resource and really a treasure trove for data.
We're also announcing a number of key academic collaborations with some of the world's best genomic centers.
We really now finally have arrived at a time where genomics has a lot to contribute to drug development. Probably the most distinctive thing about what AstraZeneca is planning is just how integrated it is. It recognizes that there's no one single best study to do in genomics. Instead, there's a variety of ways that genomics can help in the drug development process. And AstraZeneca has put in place a program really to deploy genomics comprehensively across the entire range of efforts in drug development.
This genomics capability has the potential to accelerate our understanding of disease, to define new pathways, new targets, to enable our research to translate more quickly, more effectively into medicines that make a difference to patients' lives.